Hi, so I usually have warm water in the morning and sometimes I add lemon to it, sometimes I don't. Then around 10 a.m., I get to eat my breakfast. So there is some seasonal fruit and sprouts along with it. Now in sprouts, we usually add any finely chopped seasonal vegetable, something that we can eat raw. So today there is some finely chopped carrot, radish, some green chilies, and salt. Some people also add lemon and onion to it. Completely a personal choice. But I feel like even if you don't add anything to your sprouts, just some salt and pepper, it tastes equally good. Then along with it, as I mentioned, there is some seasonal fruit. Any single serving of fruit. So आजकल अनार बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है, तो we have added that. Then along with this, there is usually some poha or sandwich or paratha or just some toasted bread or anything of that sort. Today there is what we call as ghugri, which is basically cooked and roasted green peas, fresh green peas. Okay, at around 2 p.m. it is time for some lunch. So there is dal, seasonal vegetable, so बैगन की सब्जी, मेथी का साग, and चावल or rice or roti, anything depending on what mood of the day it is. But most of the times it is rice only. Also, I like having my dal chawal with hands. Do you also like eating dal chawal with hands? Please comment and let me know. Okay, at around 5 p.m. We have our chai, compulsory 5 p.m. chai routine. Along with that, we can have biscuit or namkeen, but today it is bread with a generous spread of thick malai and chini. Very kiddish, very bachon wala, very weird, I know, but आज मन था तो खा लिया. Okay, well, this is me. I don't know why I'm making such faces, but yeah, watching TV, having my cup of coffee, then probably running to kitchen to see what is आज खाने में क्या बन रहा है. Then first things first, feeding the cow. Time to have some dinner. तो आलू गोभी की सब्ज़ी आज थोड़ा स्पेशल है, तो 2 सब्ज़ी बनी है, करेला बना है, एंड देन रोटी. Okay, while watching Anupama. Do you also watch Anupama? Hit like to this video if you also watch Anupama. Okay, so after having dinner, we usually have milk, haldi doodh. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you soon. Bye.